JoJo Star channel. Maggie. Alright. With cheese on top. Delicious. Maggie, cheese on top. Not really sure where all the other Maggie go. They're gone missing. And oh, I forgot to write one on there and one open. This is a hack for those people who they don't know how to control when it's so spicy. So when you want to dip your whatever you're dipping, say your wasabi, when you eat it and it's too hot, you just leave your mouth open and don't panic, just leave it open.
So this is my set. I've ordered cold buckwheat soba with this cold soup. Then you just dump this inside to make it crispy, which I like it. And it comes with tempura. We are gonna have our meal.
I'm gonna have my meal.
Yeah, today with JoJo.
Cheers to all Maggie. I haven't tried it before, so I'm gonna be trying it for the first time. We also bought some for Papa.